We are live and well, ladies and gentlemen. Another live stream with CM Shorts Everything. In this video, we're going to talk about shorts. You know, if you have any question about shorting, how to use Bitunix, how to short, how to use this, how to do that, stop loss, profit taking strategy, anything you need, drop a question, drop a like. We have a packed episode today. Let's look on the stuff. Some stuff are happening in the market, and you gotta see that stuff. Where is this? Let me show you the screen. All right. So first of all, let's look on the charts. Okay, we have concerns. We have concerns now. Oh, I want to show you a chart that I have now on my radar. Where is this baby boy? Okay, this is the rate, the unemployment rate. Okay, it actually went up yesterday, okay, on the job loss, or 2 days ago, whatever, to 4.6. You can see the unemployment rate is in an uptrend since June 2023, and he actually had just a breakout in July 2025. That's when Bitcoin started to be a bit iffy. You had this breakout, and now it's soaring. But again, it's still not exploding, not pumping. But again, remember, once it's going to start pumping, Bitcoin will collapse, okay? The last time, look, I just want to show you. This is the unemployment rate big chart, okay? I mark here, this is the major crashes of the stock market, okay? You had one in 2000. The unemployment rate rises. You had a financial crisis, a bear market for the S&P and the NASDAQ. Here as well, 2007, 2008. You had a financial crisis, of 08 of the S&P and the NASDAQ. Okay, the yield, the unemployment rate rises. And this was the crash in the COVID. It was just a crash. It was not a bear market because it was very short-lived. Okay, the pump was like, 1 month or two, and that was it. Then it topped out, roll over. You had amazing bull market. Right, so we expect the yield, the unemployment rate to surge and send the markets into a bloodbath. Now let's look on the markets. Let's look on the NASDAQ. First, I like the NASDAQ more than the S&P because it's more correlated to Bitcoin. Look at this. It's coming back down a little bit today. Let's see. It broke below the 50-day, which is bearish. If it stays below the 50-day, that's going to be bearish. Look on NVIDIA as well. NVIDIA just looks like it's trying to trigger a head and shoulders here. You can see NVIDIA made a bearish retest of the 50-day, and you have a head and shoulders here, with a neckline. Very nice head and shoulder from September. If it start dumping, if it start dumping and confirming this head and shoulders, your measured move is down to 140, 146, which is very bad for crypto. That means $30 down from here. Let me show you so that's going to be bearish for the NASDAQ. It's going to be bearish for everything. Let's look at MSTR. We're going to look obviously on Bitcoin and all the shitcoin, the shitcoin world. This is MSTR, bearish as F. It's probably going to crash below its 200-week MA very, very soon in the next, or in December, January, or in the next, or somewhere in Q1. And then it is cooked, my friends. It is cooked. Let's see who is in the house. If anyone is watching, like, subscribe, leave a comment, see that you are watching and everything is going well here, and everything is like clear, sound wise and video wise. Okay, so we have the NASDAQ, the MSTR. Let's look on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very bearish, extremely bearish today. You had a fake pump. Look at this. Look at this fake pump here on Bitcoin, and it sold off completely. It went all the way down to 90K, and they crashed it. Why? It's bearish. Bitcoin is bearish. Oh, I want to show you the moon boys with the rainbow charts are back. These are the moon boys with the rainbow chart. You can see they say the Bitcoin rainbow chart predict 150,000 to 440,000 in 2026. Oh boy. Bitcoin is going to 44,000, not 440,000, 44,000 in 26. And we believe it will go way lower. We believe Bitcoin is on its way. I'll show you where, man. I'll show you now. Where it's going, man. I'll show you. Look at that. This is where it's going. Not to 440. It's going back to revisit this trend line. The trend line was the bottom of 2022, bottom of 2020, and bottom of 2018. Remember also this linear scale nailed the tops. Okay, it was the tops. It was the top here, 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 and here. This you don't F with this. You want to listen to the rainbow clouds and the lady boys, or you want to listen to the daddy, the chart, and the doctor. CM the doctor will help you, make you print in a bear. If you listen to these guys, you're gonna end up in McDonald's. You're not even gonna end up working in McDonald's. They even not gonna hire you. They're gonna tell you, hey, go to the tent outside McDonald's, get yourself some, burritos somewhere else. This is complete nonsense. And I'm gonna do a proper video on this one. This is complete nonsense. I just saw it today. They shared it today. Today, December 17th, they shared the rainbow chart. Unbelievable. All right. What are we doing? Yeah, man. I'm the only one out there, man. I'm the only one out there, man. It's all these people that are like telling you, buy the dip, buy the dip. Look at the dip. Where is the dip, man? Buy the dip. They buy the dip, people. They've been buying. Let me take a clean chart. Look at the dip, man. They told you, buy the dip. Here we go. Boom. Crash. Buy the dip. Here we go. Crash. Buy the dip. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Not going, man. It's going down. Bitcoin is going down, man. It topped. Market topped. Bitcoin topped. By the way, everybody who watched, make sure you get yourself Bitunix. I'm going to drop it in the comment section. The best crypto exchange to short crypto. You got to short crypto. We've been printing dineros with the shorts. And yeah, if Bitcoin continue dumping now, oh boy, the shorts will print so much. Lovely gains in the membership. But if you want to join the membership, where's my membership? Here, I think. Yeah, I'll drop this link as well. This is CMVIP. By the way, you have a bear market special now for Christmas, 25% off on my services on my trading service. You can use the coupon code here down below, CM25 at checkout, man. Get yourself a VIP membership, or if you want lifetime, drop me an email. You can pay lifetime. Really, the best thing you can do for yourself for 2026. In 2026, everyone are gonna disappear. All the moon boys, they're gonna disappear. They're gonna quit crypto, rage quit crypto. It's gonna be a bloodbath. It's gonna be a mega bloodbath out there, man. We are gonna profit from the bloodbath. Why? We short, man. Look. My account is going up, man. Everything is going up. See, everything. All my shorts are in the money, man. And they're just gonna go more and more and more up in the money now. Once Bitcoin start dumping further. All right, join the service, man, or at least join any service that short. Because if you're not shorting, you're missing out. This thing is going down, man. This thing is going down. Yeah, if you have a question, drop it now. We're gonna wrap it like in 10 minutes or so. All right, that's Bitcoin. We looked at Bitcoin. The Nasdaq taking a big PP today so far. See what the dollar is doing. Dollar, nothing major here. Let's look on ETH. Oh, look at Ethereum. Ethereum broadening wedge broke down. Tom Lee is crying for his mommy now. He's crying for his mommy. Where is my Tom Lee? Tom Lee is gonna cry hard. Tom Lee is crying. The Ethereum is cooking him. His Ethereum holding is down billions, man. Oh boy, the swans are coming. Tom Lee, you are cooked, mate. You are cooked. This is Ethereum. Well, let's look on the dominant. Ooh, dominance now starting to bounce. Oh, that's not good for the crypto coins. That's very bad for crypto coins. See the dominance start bouncing here. That's not good. Look on the weekly here. Yeah, man. Oh boy, we believe it's gonna start pumping the dominance. Let's see if you have momentum crossing here on the weekly here. 2-week cross and stalling here. Monthly, we'll see. Yeah, not looking good. This is not looking good for crypto. Not looking good at all. What else do we have here? Tom Lee is cooked. Tom Lee is cooked. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Finally, someone is commenting. He is cooked. Yeah. Drop a question if you have. Oh, let's look on the favorite coins on Kaspa, Crashpa. Let's look on Crashpa. The Crashpa scam. Oh, I take a clean chart. This was for my short. We short Kaspa up on nice profit on the Kaspa. Let's look on the daily. Oh boy, look at the PP man. The PP man is back on Kaspa. And he's doing his PP. Yes. We shorted it here. Nice little gain so far, 20% plus. Something like 20% or so. Looking for it to crash further and lose this low and start the free fall. Just like here. Yeah, you're going to have a free fall on Kaspa and on all coins, but you know, Kaspa need to teach a lesson to all the clowns of Kaspa. The Kaspa maxis need to learn a lesson. You don't F with a bear market. They just don't understand. But soon they will understand. Soon they will throw in the towel, and it's gonna be a bloodbath. Let's look on Zebec. Zebec is cooked. Zebec is cooked, mate. We told you it's cooked. Gonna do a video on Zebec, man. No one is coming to the lives. Do a video on Zebec. Better for my time. Yeah, it's cooked, man. It's cooked. Zebec is cooked. It's going to zero, man. It's going to zero. You know, it's going down, man. Yeah. I need to make a video on Zebec. This is bearish, very bearish. And and you know they are now delusional. You know, all the Zebec army. Yeah, we're holding triple bottom. Yeah, they're in denial now. Okay, they're in denial. Soon they're gonna drop here. They're gonna be angry, and then it's gonna make a filthy bounce, and then it's gonna fizzle all the way down. They're gonna be in despair or something. They're gonna break to new low. This thing gonna go to new low. Like all the coins will go to new lows, man. A recession is coming. People don't understand. Ooh, Tesla. Who is this stock trader? How you doing? Nikola Popovich. Who is the Jay looking on Tesla? Who is this stock trader in the house? Ooh, wait a second. Ooh, who is this guy? Tesla, double top, man. Cooked. It's going to collapse. You see, this is a weekly picture. It's coming to resistance zone. This is a short. You want to short it here. Not a financial advice. Obviously, you want to wait for the drop and then short, not now. But this is probably going to get cooked. Again, if it bounces higher, who gives an F? I'm short. Market's going to collapse. If you long anything now, you're taking very high risks. Yeah, it's cooked. It's cooked. The Elon Musk Rubbish. Yeah, it is cooked. It's still under this trend line. Nothing to look for here, man. Rubbish, overvalued crap. Overvalued crap going to collapse. Yuplo 290. What's Yuplo? Yup. I don't know what's Yup. Oh, we got some stuff. Thoughts on relief rally or straight down? I'll tell you exactly, sir, Mr. James Kiki. Let's call you James Kiki. Yeah, you're gonna get a relief rally, man. Look, it's hard to predict the short-term fluctuations, man. Like the the daily moves back. I think if you're gonna get the big relief rally from these levels, okay. If the stock market will hold once Bitcoin go to these levels, if again maybe again hope I think it's going. I might be wrong, but I think my thoughts, my 2 cents, or it's gonna rally from here, but I need a convincing bottom, or it's going to drop further somewhere in the 60s. 60, maybe the last highs, the last cycle highs, the 64. The 64 was a very special price. And yeah, maybe in the 60s, mid 60s, low 60s, or maybe around the mid 70s. All these areas, there is some serious support there. But again, we'll see what the stock market is doing. Remember, keep an eye on the stock market, because if the S&P is doing like that, Bitcoin cannot go up against it. It just can't. It just can't. It just can't. It's a ragdoll. It's a piece of rubbish of the S&P and the Nasdaq. Nasdaq go down. Everything is. They sell it. They sell this garbage. It's part of the stock market. Bitcoin is controlled by Wall Street. So here you had a major bottom. That was an amazing bottom. Okay, I'm looking for something similar to that to happen. Maybe January. January looks like a month, or maybe it will do this. Maybe it will come down and do like a double bottom here, or undercut the low, or maybe like a triple bottom, to scam the market. Could be. I think still is going to test the lows and maybe even break them, undercut them, and then you're gonna get the bounce. If it's doing that, for me, that's gonna be a clear sign of a relief rally. If it's undercutting the low and creating like a V bottom bounce back up, that's the moment to go long crypto. Okay, again, short term, you go long, maybe couple of weeks, maybe couple of months, and then they're gonna crash it. It's going to come back, test the 200-day, the declining 200-day, or the 100-day, and then you're gonna get a bearish retest of one of these babies, or maybe even the 50-week. We'll see, but it's just gonna be a rally to cover, to get out, for an opportunity for people and whales to sell their Bitcoin, their stupid Bitcoin, on like 90 something or 100K, maybe even higher, and then you're gonna create a head and shoulders, man. And this is gonna be horrible. This head and shoulders, again, if it's gonna happen, it's going to send Bitcoin to a bloodbath. Crypto is going to die. And I'm telling you, if it's going to form this head and shoulders, your measured move is very, very low, man. Your measured move of this head and shoulders is something around 20K, 25,000. If you do the math from 125 to 75, it's 50,000. Subtract it from the 75, you go to 25. Hope you got it. Anyway, subscribe to this channel, click the bell, follow me on X, follow me on all the channels, man. This is the best. I'm gonna give you the best service anyone can give you. Anyone. And also, man, join my VIP, man, if you really want to conquer the bear market rallies, because we're gonna nail the best trades on the long side in the bear market rally. Just like we did in November, we had insane trades in November. Yeah, early November and October, we had insane trades in the membership longs. And since then, we short the F, printing on short. Man, We go with the market. We don't watch the clowns though. So really consider joining the VIP. Link below. Hello, sir. Hello. Trade both. I still don't know what is Yup low. Tesla low. I don't know, man. I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna look on. Let's look on Apple. Let's look on Apple for Nicola. Apple, I think it's topped out as well, man. And I think all the Mag 7 stocks are rolling over now. This market is cooked. Show you, look, it's cooked, man. Look, oh my god, oh my god. Look at this broadening wedge, man. Ooh. It goes from 2020. See this trend line again. It's not perfect, but it's it is out there. And look at that. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Oh my god. Look at this shooting star on the weekly, man. The gravestone doji. That's not a good look for Apple. Your Apple is going to collapse, man. Apple is going down. Apple is going to crash. It is cooked. Yeah, man. Oh my god. Ooh, look at this monthly forming again. It's not confirmed yet, but this is a shooting star from on the monthly. If it closes like that, it's bearish. I believe it's going to close way lower because stock market looks like bunch of rubbish. This is a perfect time to sell, in my opinion. Not a financial advice. No, nothing I'm saying is financial advice. For me, if I had Apple, I will dump that rubbish on the market price at the moment. Everything, liquidate all my position, and actually I will go short. I will short it now, man. I will short it. You have a higher high fake out, marginally higher high. You probably have divergence here on the RSI. Show the RSI. No, unbelievable. The scamminess and the over exuberance garbage. How that? Well, you have divergence, you know, because it's like topping out. It's like a class B divergence. Because the RSI is topping out, is not making higher highs, and the price is just going up. That means exhaustion of price. It's exhausted, man. It's gonna puke. It will puke, man. Telling you, the big puke is coming for all the Mag 7s. They all going to zero, man. They're going to zero, man. People are not ready. That will be a beautiful thing to watch. The crash gonna be beautiful. Ooh, this guy is serious. BNB, please. Crypto doc. Man, all your coins are going to zero. Don't you get it? BNB is going to collapse. It's done. It's cooked, man. It's cooked. Look at the weekly. Look at the monthly. Oh boy, that was your climax stop. It went all the way. That was the peak of the bubble of BNB. Went to 1,400. Okay, pretty much, you know, let's call it 1,400. And it smacked back down half of its value to 800 or 780. Rubbish Ponzi. Like all of them. All of them are Ponzi's, man. They're done. This is done. This guy's done, man. Will you gonna get an alt season on the next rally? Maybe, but don't count on it. Don't count on it, man. Just play it like the cards that the market give you. Solana is even more bearish. It looks horrible. I actually almost shorted it, but I took other shorts. I'll show you this chart. Solana is very bearish. Below it's 50, below it's 200. Below it's 50-week MA, this guy. Look at this. This is going to crash. You see this? See the weekly bar here, the rejections here? This thing is a bear flag, is a bear pennant or flag, and it's going to die, man. It's going down like all coins. All coins are forming this stuff, man. This is not good. They're going down, man. Now, maybe you're gonna get a Santa rally, but maybe you're not. Maybe you're gonna get a mega crash. I don't know, man. I'm not betting on the long side. I'm short. I'm heavily short. Heavily short. I have like 10 different short positions. 10 or 8, I don't know. Oh yeah, man, it's going down, man. It's all going down, man. There is not the writing is on the wall. The question is, are they going to manage to hold it for another couple of months? Maybe they can, you know, with the fake stimulus or injection or whatever. But at some point, man, oh boy, dollar will explode and the VIX will pump and it's gonna be a bloodbath. Everyone should check the metal palladium. Okie dokie. Well, guys, thank you guys for watching. Smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you want to join VIP, you have a 25% off with CM VIP. Join for 4 months, man. Don't be stingy and cheap. Stop being cheapy. Don't be cheapy, man. This membership will change your life. We are printing while all the market, all of them, all the market participants are losing and losing and losing and losing. And I'll tell you the plan, our blueprint, what's gonna happen this year. And it's gonna happen because it's been happening like everything we do. Everything is doing, we nail it. So the plan, Bitcoin, we shorted it from the beginning of the bear, printing dineros. Printing. Now it's gonna go down maybe more. Hopefully at some point you're gonna get a relief rally. We cover shorts, we cover them, lock in mega gains. Okay, on this move we're probably gonna grow the account in total, I don't know, 30, 40, 50, 60%, all the account. Okay, then maybe even more. Then we're gonna get a rally. We're gonna long the best trades, the best setups, the best coins. Not what you're gonna long. The coins we watch, no one watch. Okay, that's why we print. Then we're gonna cover them. We're gonna close the longs. Once it's gonna roll over, once it's gonna top out the Bitcoin, we're looking at the Bitcoin, and then we're gonna short Bitcoin. Here we're gonna short Bitcoin. Once it's gonna, I'm gonna go into a balls deep short on Bitcoin. And once it starts going down, I'm gonna add and add and add. Probably gonna add on the breakdown of the neckline, and yeah, it's going to collapse. I believe from here it's gonna collapse 50%. On the next leg down, it's gonna collapse more than 50%, but it's gonna be a very fast. You know, it's gonna be brutal, man. It's gonna be the real bear market. And yeah, we're gonna print here a ton shorting crypto. Okay, we plan to more than maybe triple the accounts through the bear market. And then once Bitcoin bottom out, we're gonna start DCA into Bitcoin. Not to your rubbish cryptos, to Bitcoin, because it's the only coin that is kind of low risk when you buy it at the bear market lows. Then we're gonna ride it. We're gonna ride it for the next bull run. I don't think it's going to new highs. But anyway, we're gonna ride at least a 4 or 5 or 6x move, and then we'll see. But yeah, the plan, we just growing our accounts, moving into financial freedom, buying real estates. That's what we do, man. Cheers, mate.